we are discussing about the GATE 1993 EC paper. This is one more question related to electronics. Consider the circuit shown in figure A. If the diode used here has VI characteristics are as shown in B, then the output waveform V0 is. So you must draw the output waveform V0 for the given input waveform. Input waveform is going to be 2 volt sinusoidal signal, which is going towards +2 as well as -2. So 2 volt sinusoidal if you are applying as input, at the time what will be the output of the given circuit. And diode characteristics are given with the help of VI characteristics. From this VI characteristics, if you check this one, okay, from this VI characteristics we can say that one it is piecewise linear characteristics. From this piecewise linear characteristics we can say the dynamic resistance R is nothing but dV by dt, which is small r, RF, forward resistance, and this 0.5 volts is nothing but VT, threshold voltage, or cut-in voltage, or V gamma it is indicated with. So whenever the diode is under forward bias, we can use the model like this. So if the diode is forward bias, then we can go for the diode model as voltage, cut-in voltage followed by resistor. This is the model, and the voltage across this one is 0.5 volts, and this is 300 ohms, and this is connected with resistor of 1 kilo ohm, that is nothing but 1000 ohms, and it is connected with VI. So this can be used only when the diode is forward bias. If the diode is forward bias, you can use this one and you can calculate the current flowing through it I. So V0, whenever it is in forward bias, at that time V0 can be written as I multiplied by 1000 ohms. Okay, so by that time it can be written as, now we will see in which portion of the input waveform diode is forward bias and in which portion it is reverse bias. If the diode is reverse bias, it acts as open circuit so that no current flows. By that time V0 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the input waveform we are going with. This is input waveform. We are considering one complete cycle. Okay, and it is going towards at most this is +2 volts, and the minimum excursion is nothing but -2 volts, it is 0. So this is input waveform, and since the diode has cut-in voltage of 0.5 volts until it reaches 0.5 volts, okay, the diode doesn't come into on condition. So make this one, let us assume this is going to be the case. This is the horizontal line I am drawing. This is nothing but 0.5 volts. If it is 0.5 volts, if the input voltage is lesser than this one, that is during this portion, the diode is under reverse bias so that output is 0. During this portion, again the input voltage is lesser than 0.5 volts, again the diode will be under reverse bias, and during negative portion also the diode will be under reverse bias. So all this one diode is under reverse bias, so V0 is equal to 0 volts, because no current flows. Whenever there is no current flows, output will be 0. Okay, I into R, that is nothing but 0. Now during this, whenever this diode is going to be forward bias, during this portion diode is forward bias, where the diode can be replaced with piecewise linear model, and you can draw the waveform as like this, where I is equal to, we can calculate like this, where I is equal to V input minus 0.5 divided by total resistance, that is nothing but 1300 ohms. Okay, now the maximum value of the signal is going to be available whenever V input is maximum. V input is maximum is at +2 volts. So if you draw a vertical line at this point, you will get the maximum output. So by that time when V input is 2 volts, so the value of I is going to be maximum. By that time the value of I is going to be maximum. That I maximum can be calculated as 5 minus zero point 0.5 divided by 1300 ohms. That is nothing but 4.5. Sorry, input is 2 volts only. 2 minus zero point 0.5, that is 1.5 divided by 1300. So it is around I is equal to 15 by 13. So it is around 1.1 milliamperes. So 1.1 milliamperes. So output will be equal to 1.12 volts. So it is going towards 1.12 volts. The output waveform is going to be looks like. Output waveform is looks like 1.12. It is reaching sinusoidally 1.12. 1.12. The value over this point is nothing but 1.2 or 1.12 in this way, because I into R is nothing but maximum, and during reverse bias output is 0. So the output waveform, if I draw like this is going to be a clear cut of output waveform for the given thing. This is 0 and it is pi, this is 2 pi. Only during, by this time the input voltage is reaching 0.5 volts, so that makes diode forward bias. So this waveform is for V0. Thank you.